Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Parker Tech Savvy. If your Windows update got stuck, failed with error code, these steps will get it running again. Now let's start. So first, restart the computer. You can do this by right-click on the Windows Start icon to the lower left. If you're on Windows 10, this works just the same. And you select Restart from the Shutdown or Sign Out tab here. After the computer restarts, you come back to search bar here and you type in updates and you check for updates again. If it still fails or give you an error, then you will move to step 2, which is run a Windows updates troubleshoot. And you can do so by click on the search bar here again. You type in troubleshoot. Alright, as you can see, it popped up here. You select it. You will select other troubleshooters. Now you will have a list here. You can, if you have an issue with audio, you can do the same for the audio. If network, and it goes on. Here we found the Windows update. So we run it from here. It will run the diagnostic check and try to correct it. If it does not correct it, you can also move to the next step 3, which is stop the Windows update services. Now, to stop the Windows update services, this is what you do. You can right click onto the start icon here, select run, or you can even use the shortcut keys on the keyboard, which is start and R at the same time. You get the run as well. When you get the run, you will type into the run box services .msc. You select OK. When you select OK, you get this window with the services. All of the services that's running in the computer. You scroll all the way down to the bottom where you will find Windows Update. Here, you right click and you click stop. It will have that little short thing going on, and then whenever that stops, it should show nothing here. It should not be saying running. When you right click, it should say start. All you do, you can either minimize or close it off. Then the next step is to delete all files into the software distribution folder. So to find the software distribution folder, you go to this PC. If you cannot find this PC, you can even use your file explorer here. Open it, and on this window on the left, scroll and you look for your C drive, which is your local disk. Open it. You go to Windows folder. You scroll all the way down until you find the software distribution folder. Open it. Then you highlight everything and hit delete. I'm not going to delete mine because mine is quite fine. But you delete everything from there, and then you will close the folder, and you can also run a disk cleanup. Select in the search bar here, disk. Alright, so once you type in disk, you will see cleanup. You select cleanup. You make sure you select the C drive, select OK. All this will come up here. Make sure you select all boxes. Select clean up system files. Select OK again for C drive, and it will calculate it. Now you will select everything in this box again and make sure that the one that says Windows files or Windows updates, make sure that is selected. And you select OK. Now it will delete everything. I'm not going to delete mine because mine is fine. Alright, so I'm just going to cancel. Now the next step is to restart the Windows Update services. All right, so we go back to the Windows Update services, and you remember how to get there by right-click, run. Okay, scroll all the way to the bottom, right-click Windows Update, and start. Mine is already started. Now, next step is to restart the computer. All right, right-click, shut down or sign out, and restart. Once it restarts, you start the Windows Update again, and everything should be fine.
And that's the end of this video. Please remember to like the video if you like it, place a comment, and subscribe for more contents. It's your boy Parker Tech Savvy.